real-world data are something that are needed, and actually that is one of the huge problems we have, that of course the companies for the companies selling biosimilars, real-world data are after sales service. So it's very difficult to get funding for that. We are right at the moment planning a study, a real-world study on cardiac safety, and we're trying to predict cardiac safety with early endpoints, drawing blood after 2 cycles of biosimilar, of antibody, and then trying to measure in the blood biomarkers that may predict cardiac failure in patients. This is a classical real-world study, and this is very important because the cardiac safety or the cardiac signals in Trastuzumab trials have been decreasing over the years, which is not because Trastuzumab is less cardiotoxic. It is because people are more aware of cardiac toxicity, and of course the inclusion and exclusion criteria have been developed and are more strict. So we may ask ourselves, is this really real world what we're seeing? And this is why we believe doing a real world study, and actually we found a sponsor for that study. It's very important to include all patients that are in real world candidates for Trastuzumab in a safety study, and not only from a clinical registration trial where of course inclusion exclusion criteria are designed so you're safe for ethical reasons.